Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. And in today's video, we are going to explore the essential steps to kickstart your DevOps career. DevOps has become a critical skill set in the software development industry, combining development and operations to enable seamless collaboration and efficient delivery of high-quality software products. In this video, we will discuss 10 key points to guide you on your DevOps journey. Let's dive in. Number 1, understand the DevOps philosophy. Before diving into specific tools and technologies, it's crucial to grasp the core principles and philosophy of DevOps. DevOps emphasizes collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement across the entire software development lifecycle. It brings together development, operations, and other stakeholders to foster a culture of shared responsibility and efficiency. Number 2, learn version control systems. Mastering version control systems is a fundamental skill for DevOps professionals. Git, the most popular distributed version control system, enables team collaboration, code branching, and merging. Familiarize yourself with Git concepts such as repositories, branches, commits, and pull requests. Number 3, gain proficiency in configuration management tools. Configuration management tools like Ansible, Puppet, and Chef allow you to automate infrastructure provisioning, deployment, and management. Learn how to write configuration scripts and use these tools to maintain consistent and reproducible environments. Number 4, explore continuous integration tools. Continuous integration tools like Jenkins, Circle CI, and GitLab CI/CD facilitate automated building, testing, and integration of code changes. Gain hands-on experience with setting up CI pipelines, running tests, and generating build artifacts. Number 5, dive into containerization technologies. Containerization platforms like Docker and container orchestration tools like Kubernetes have revolutionized software deployment and management. Learn how to containerize these applications, manage containers, and scale them using container orchestration. Number 6, familiarize yourself with infrastructure as code. Infrastructure as code enables you to define and manage infrastructure resources programmatically. Tools like Terraform and AWS CloudFormation allow you to provision and configure infrastructure components using code, enabling reproducibility and scalability. Number 7, embrace continuous deployment. Continuous deployment automates the release process, making it easier to deliver software changes frequently and reliably. Explore CD tools such as Spinnaker and Argo CD to automate deployment pipelines and enable rapid, error-free releases. Number 8, develop monitoring and logging skills. Monitoring and logging are vital for ensuring the health and performance of software systems. Learn monitoring tools like Prometheus and Grafana, and logging frameworks like ELK, which stand for Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, Stack to analyze troubleshoot issues effectively. Number 9, gain cloud computing experience. Cloud computing platforms like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform have become integral to modern software development. Learn the core services offered by major cloud providers and understand how to deploy applications in the cloud. Number 10, cultivate soft skills and continuous learning. While technical expertise is essential, soft skills like communication, collaboration, and adaptability are equally crucial for DevOps professionals. Cultivate these skills to work effectively in cross-functional teams and stay updated with the evolving DevOps landscape through continuous learning. Congratulations, you have reached the end of our video where we explored 10 essential steps to start your DevOps career. By understanding the DevOps philosophy and mastering a range of tools, you will be well equipped to embark on a successful journey in this exciting field. Remember, DevOps is not just about tools, it's a mindset that promotes collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement. So keep learning, practicing, and embracing new technologies to stay ahead with the dynamic world of DevOps. Best of luck on your DevOps career path.